Hey people, I welcome you back. Previous video we saw profit sharing ratio calculation, and in this video we'll be looking at goodwill related questions. Hopefully we'll be able to finish it fast. First question: a partnership firm earned net profits during the last 3 years as follows. Profit capital investment in the firm throughout the above mentioned period has been 1 lakh. Having regard to the risk involved, 15% is considered to be a fair return on capital. Goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit during the above mentioned 3 years will be not average super profit. Okay, so super profit kandupidikiradhukku simple. You find average profit, you find normal profit, average profit minus normal profit, average profit minus normal profit will give you super profit into number of years of purchase. So நம்ம கேஸ்ல வந்து average profit என்ன அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா it is 15,000 plus 20,000 plus 25,000 divided by 3. That will be 20,000. Normal profit என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா capital employed 1 lakh into 15%. அது வந்து 15,000. So super profit எவ்வளவுனா 20,000 minus 15,000 5,000 and 2 years purchase of super profit பாத்தீங்கன்னா 5,000 into 10 to 10,000. So option B for boy, 10,000 is the answer. All right, moving on to the next question. All right, so second question: Mohan and Sohan are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 5:3. The firm earned profits during the last 4 years amounting to 18,000, 8,500 loss, 30,000 and 16,500 respectively. The value of goodwill on the basis of 1.5 years purchase of average profits of the last 4 years will be. So all you have to do is just find the average profit. Profits என்ன 18,000, அப்புறம் loss 8,500, அப்போ negative amount போடணும். அப்புறம் 30,000 and 16,500. இந்த 4 years ஓட average. Four years or average கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படின்னா divided by 4, 14,000 வருது. Goodwill is 1.5 years purchase of average profit. So average profit into 1.5, 21,000 is the correct answer, my dear children. Weighted average method of calculating goodwill has to be used when the profit shows a trend. B for boy. Profits only increase ஆயிட்டே இருக்கணும் இல்ல decrease ஆயிட்டே இருக்கணும். Okay. What is the step not involved in valuing goodwill according to super profit? Not good question. Leave it. The profits for the last 5 years, 3 years were 6,000, 4,000, 2,500. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணும் இதுல அப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா you are supposed to abnormal gain எல்லாத்தையும் future maintainable profit கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போது abnormal gain எல்லாத்தையும் add back minus பண்ணும். So 6,000 minus 2,000. So revised future maintainable profit என்ன அப்படின்னா 4,000. Abnormal loss add back பண்ணணும். So 4,000 plus 3,000 is equal to 7,000. இங்க ஒரு 2,500 abnormal income இருந்தா அதையும் minus பண்ணணும். So that will be 1,000. So இந்த மூணுக்கும் average கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So that will be 12,000 will be the total. Average on the 4,000. Calculate goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase and சொல்லிருப்பாங்க. So 4,000 into 3, 12,000 will be the goodwill amount. Understood, children? Moving forward. Sixth question. Goodwill is to be calculated at 1 year's purchase of the average profits of the last 3 years profit. Okay, 1 year purchase. So just average கண்டுபிடிச்சா போதும். The profit for the first year was 60,000. Second year twice the profit of first year, and third year 1.5 times the profit of second year. So first year profit on the 60,000. Second year profit on the other twice 1,20,000. Third year profit on the 1.5 times the profit of second year. So into 1.5, 1,80,000. Goodwill என்ன அப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்க. So average you have to find out. Average on the 1,20,000. 1 year purchase of average சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அப்போ into 1, which is 1,20,000. Right. Profit for the last 3 years were 420, 390, 450. Value of goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase average profit 450 less than 20 போட்டோம்னா இதுவும் 420 ஆயிரும் 420 average வந்து 420 into 2 years purchase சொல்லிருக்காங்க அப்போ 8,40,000 is the goodwill. Understood, children? With that, we have come to the end of average profit method calculation of goodwill. We'll meet you again with super profit. Let's see how many are there in super profit. 13 only are there. So super profit also will solve. 15 are there. Super profit also will solve. Most of them are must be easy only. First super profit type question. Super profit method la enna pannanum? I just told you, right? Enna pannanum appdi solittu. Okay. Capital employed is 5 lakh. Average profit is 60,000. Normal rate of return is 10%. Super profit எவ்வளவுன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Super profitனா என்னது? Normal actual profit minus normal profit. Actual profit 60,000. Normal profit na என்னது? Capital employed into normal rate of return. So 5 lakh into 10%, 50,000. So super profit on the 10,000. The profits earned by a business over the last 5 years are as follows: 12,000, 13,000, 14,000, 20. 2 years purchase of last 5 years profits, the value is actually average profit method question. So 5 years profit and 14,000 plus 12,000 plus 13,000 plus 18,000 minus 2,000. 11,000 is the average profit. 2 years purchase now 22,000 is the goodwill. All right, children. Total capital employed by a partnership firm is 1 lakh. Average profit 25,000. Normal rate of return 20%. Simple. Average profit 25,000 minus normal rate of return. A normal profit is 1 lakh into 20%, which is 20,000. So 5,000 is the super profit earned by the firm. Understood, children? Total capital employed by a partner, same question repeated. Super profit can be calculated as average profit minus normal profit. Average profit 160, actual capital employed 5 lakh. Not of normal. What is super profit? Similar question. 5 lakh 20% putting in, you'll get 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the normal profit. Actual profit on the 1,60,000, and therefore 60,000 is the super profit. Understood, children? Moving forward, total capital employed by a partnership firm is 1 lakh. Actual average profit is 2,50,000. 10 lakh. 2,50,000. Same questions, my dear children. 2,50,000 is the actual profit. You need normal profit. Normal profit is 10 lakh into 20%. That will be 2 lakh. So 50,000 is the super profit. All right. The business has earned a super profit of 1 lakh during the last few years. Normal rate of return 10%. Calculate goodwill. This is a capitalization of super profit method. Okay. Capitalization of super profit method enna pannona, super profit divided by normal rate of return is the goodwill amount. So in this case, it is 10 lakh. Super profit divided by normal rate of return. A firm had assets of 1,50,000. Partners' capital account showed a balance of 1,20,000 and reserves constituted the rest. If normal rate of return is 10% per annum and goodwill valued at 48,000 at 4 years purchase of super profit, find the super profit. Goodwill is 48,000. 4 years purchase of super profit. Apo goodwill divided by 4 is equal to super profit. Evidina super profit into 4 than goodwill. Goodwill is 48,000. Goodwill by 4 is equal to super profit. So 12,000 is the correct answer. All right, children. 10th one. Capital employed in a business is 2 lakh. Normal rate of return on capital employed is 15% during the year. Firm earned a profit of 48,000. Calculates. I think we just solved it. Okay, anyway. 48,000 actual profit. Normal profit on the 2 lakh 15%. I think that will be 30,000. So 18,000 is a super profit. 3 years purchase of super profit. 18,000 into 3 is 54,000. So that will be the answer, my dear children. Formula for capitalization of super profit method is super profit divided by normal rate of return, my dear children. So B, a firm earned average profit of 45,000. Rate of return on capital employed is 12%. Total employed capital employed is 4 lakh. Would be on the basis of 2 years purchase of super profit. So 4 lakh like 12% now 48,000. $45,000 now firm is earning. There is no super profit in the firm, so none of these is the answer. 13. Which of the following is added to previous year's profit for finding normal profit? Previous year oda profit kuda edha add pannum. Loss due fire is an abnormal loss, so abnormal loss தான் profit add பண்ணணும். Okay, so average capital employed in a firm is 5 lakh, actual profit is 70,000, normal rate of return is 10%, the super profit is 20,000. Yeah, 5 lakh into 10%, 50,000, 70,000 minus 50,000, 20,000. On 1st April 2021, an existing firm had assets of 75,000, including cash of 5,000. The partner's capital account showed a balance of 60,000. Reserve constituted the rest. Normal rate of 10 Goodwill is firm valued at 24,000. 4 years purchase of super profit. What is the super profit? Goodwill is equal to super profit into number of years of purchase. In this case, 4. 24,000 divided by 4 is super profit. So 6,000. Calculate normal profits. Normal profit is capital employed 75,000. It is 75,000 including cash. 75,000 is the total assets, and there are no external liabilities. Assets minus external liabilities. That's capital employed. External liabilities. So 75,000 is the capital employed into 10%, which is 7,500. Net assets 75,000, because net assets na total assets minus external liabilities. External liabilities எதுவுமே இல்லை, கேபிட்டலும் ரிசர்வ் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு liability சைடில். ஸோ net assets 75,000. Average profits of the firm, இதுக்கு வந்து பேக் ஒர்க் பண்ணும். Super profit is equal to 6,000 that we just found out. Average profit minus normal profit is equal to super profit. Average profit தெரியாது. So super profit plus normal profit. Super profit 6,000. Normal profit on we just found it out to be 7,500. So super profit is 13,500. Alright children, with this we have come to the end of this video. We'll be sharing solutions on other goodwill related problems and few other reserves and revaluation problems in partnership in the upcoming videos. Take care, have fun, prepare well for